The 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is one of the biggest updates in the history of the Maybach family, with changes to its exterior, digital technology, and engine power. Here are the details of its production process and new features. Exterior design. Front grille. Redesigned to be 20% larger, it exudes grandeur and power and features LED ambient lighting. Standing star. For the first time, the Mercedes star on the hood is illuminated. Wheels. Available in 20 and 21-inch forged wheels with the Maybach logo in the center, the car stands upright even when the wheels are turning. Manufacture. Customers can choose from over 150 body colors and the Maybach signature two-tone paint. The Maybach body is not made of steel alone. The exterior parts, such as the hood, doors, and roof, are made of aluminum to reduce weight. Ultra-high-strength steel is used for the safety cell to protect passengers in the event of a crash. Some models use carbon fiber to reinforce high-stress areas. Maybach's metal welding uses a variety of methods beyond conventional welding. Laser welding is used for the roof and exterior bodywork. It provides the smallest, cleanest, and strongest welds, eliminating the need for a top coat like in conventional cars. A special adhesive is used between each sheet of metal that is stronger than conventional adhesives. This reduces vibration and external noise, vibration damping. Cold riveting for the points where aluminum and steel are joined, which cannot be welded by heat. Riveting technology is used with high pressure. The Maybach's specialty is the tightness of the bodywork. Acoustic foam is added to the cavity of the carcass to block the passage of air and tire noise from below. After welding, each carcass is passed through a CMM, a coordinates measuring machine that measures thousands of critical points to ensure the carcass is 100% balanced before being sent to the paint department. Painting the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class 2027 is not just about applying color, but also about the art of finishing, which takes up to a week longer than a regular car just for this painting stage. Here are the main steps of Maybach's painting technology. 1. Surface preparation and electro-coating. Before painting, the entire steel frame is dipped in a cathodic dip painting. Robots rotate the car body 360 degrees to ensure that the paint penetrates every part, ensuring that no part can rust even after decades of use. 2. Hand finishing. Unlike the general car production method that only uses robots, some parts of the Maybach are painted and polished by hand by skilled craftsmen. Sanding. The craftsman will use his hands to polish the surface of the body to a smooth finish before applying the paint, so that no water vapor or small dust can get stuck. Two-tone paint technology. This is the most special feature. They have to cover one side with protective tape and apply the first color, wait for it to dry, then cover the other side with protective tape to apply the second color. The center line between the two colors must be made as thin as possible. The coach line. On the body of the Maybach, there is often a small color line, pinstripe, that extends from the head to the tail of the car. This line is drawn by hand with a special brush to ensure a vividness that a robot cannot match. 4. Multi-layer clear coat. To give the car a mirror-like shine, deep gloss finish, more layers of clear coat are applied than on a regular car. After applying the first layer of clear coat, it is polished to a very smooth finish, and then a second and third layer is applied. This technology is called a piano lacquer finish, which makes the car's color look deep and not easy to scratch. 5. Light tunnel inspection. After painting, the car is driven into a light tunnel with thousands of LED lights. The expert will inspect every millimeter of the car body. If there is a slight flaw or unevenness, it will be polished and repainted immediately. Finally, manufacture color options. For the 2027 model year, customers have more and different color options, magno or matte colors, which are a type of rough but smooth color. This type of color requires higher maintenance and more complex painting techniques than regular colors. Engine and powertrain. There are two main engine options: S580, 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with mild hybrid assistance, increasing power to 530 horsepower, up from the previous model's 496 horsepower. S680, 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine with 621 horsepower, providing quiet and powerful performance. AIRMATIC suspension system. The new air suspension system with predictive damping technology can scan the road ahead to adjust the suspension to the most gentle level. Here are the key features that make the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class 2027 the world's top car, along with the build quality and finish for your videos. 1. Key highlights and quality. Acoustic comfort. Maybach's build quality focuses on silence. It uses an active road noise cancellation system that emits sound waves against external noise, making the cabin as quiet as a recording studio. Exquisite craftsmanship. The interior uses carefully selected Napa leather and hand-polished real wood. Every seam and assembly of the interior is perfectly spaced, zero gap tolerance. E-active body control. This is a driving quality that is rarely found in other cars. It uses a camera to scan the road ahead and instantly adjusts each pump to match the road conditions, making the rider feel like they are flying in the air. Magic carpet ride. 5-star safety. Not only is it luxurious, but it also has rear seat airbags and a side impact protection system that raises the car body higher in just a few milliseconds so that the impact force hits the hardest steel bones. In short, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class 2027 is not just a means of transportation, but an art of manufacturing that combines great technology and unparalleled luxury. From the strong frame welding to the meticulous paintwork, every detail has been made to provide the best experience for the car owner. If you like technical videos and the production of modern cars like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get new videos every day. What do you think of this top car? You can comment below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.